everyone. As an angel investor, I don't just write checks, I show up genuinely. I am Raji. I'm an angel investor. I want to start with something really simple. I did not set out to become an angel investor to begin with. My career started in enterprise architecture, technical sales, and AI advisory work. I spent years working inside large organizations, solving real world problems, building systems that actually scale, and helping businesses adopt technology in a meaningful way. But somewhere along the way, something shifted for me. I realized that the most valuable thing I could do was not just to build the systems, it is also to help others build theirs. And that is where what brought me into investing. Today, I advise startups, I work with founders, I teach, and yes, I write occasional checks. But I do see myself as a source of capital as well because I show up, and that matters to founders. Because one thing I have learned is this. Let me tell you, the best founders are not just looking for money, they are also looking for clarity, access, someone who understands how to go from idea to execution at scale. So, founders typically ask me, why would I want you on my cap table, right? So, I give them a very honest answer. I'm not a person who is going to write a biggest check in the room, but what I bring is experience across the enterprise technology, AI adoption, and the go-to-market execution. I bring a very strong network across North America and India, and most importantly, I bring in the intent. If I invest, I am involved. I care deeply among the early stage founders, especially the female founders, because that is where the right guidance and the right network can completely change the trajectory. I can make a bigger impact. Now, let me share something that recently changed how I think about investing. I had the opportunity to speak at a reverse pitch event organized by InclusifAI, led by Argentina Beltran. Kudos to her. And the format was super powerful. It's simple yet powerful. Instead of founders pitching to investors, as we investors had to pitch ourselves, we had to explain how we think, what we look for, and how we actually support founders. I really loved it because for once curtains were like pulled back, and then the secret is actually let out, right? So we were not just evaluating the founders were evaluating us. It's like the game was reversed. That level of transparency really changes the game, and it creates better conversations, more alignment, expectations, the honesty, and the stronger relationship from day one. For me, it reinforced something I strongly believed in. If you're an investor, you have to earn your place in the founder's journey. When you as you are an early investor, that's what I would say. And looking ahead, I am continuing to stay focused. In 2026, I'm committing to a few conviction investments, and my lens is very clear. It has to be early stage, pre-seed, seed stage, and it should have a AI driven startups where I can actually add value and bring in my expertise. And the sectors that I'm most interested is all about AI, generative AI, deep tech, health tech, and clean energy. And beyond these sectors, I also look at apply one more core lens and a core question: can I move the needle here? Can I make any impact here? Can I help the journey of the founder through AI adoption, or the go to market strategy, or the technical architecture in a meaningful way? If the answer is yes, I lean in. If not, I leave that space, or I take a step back and explore more, and look for the better fitment, right? So because I do not believe in passive investing, if I'm in, I'm totally in. So if you're a founder listening to this, or if you're building something ambitious in AI or deep tech, I would love to hear from you. Tell me, what are you building, and tell me the problem you're solving, and let us figure it out, if there is a fit. Because at the end of the day, I am not just here to write checks, I'm here to help build. Thanks for listening. We are at the end. Wish you all a happy evening.